This next family is the Smith family. The Smith family profess to know the Lord and they love the Lord. But they so busy being busy, getting ready for whatever it is they get ready for, that they'll just tell you straight up, they don't have time to go to church. Let's just watch them for a minute.
That's one done. 6 more, and I'll be finished. I wish I was. I'm just barely started.
Cheer up, girls. I haven't even started yet.
Poor Mom, she'll be up all night before she gets through. Imagine Mrs. Parker asking us to go to church with her tonight. She must not have as much to do as we do tonight.
I can't imagine anybody having time to go to church on Christmas Eve.
Me neither. Doris, give me a piece of paper right there. This one?
The one next to it.
If you weren't so particular, it wouldn't take us this long.
Here, Peggy, the dog drink is finally finished. Now I have to get to the kitchen.
Thanks, Mom.
Come on, Peggy.
I'll be out in about 3 hours.
I'll be out in a minute. 3 hours? Doris, you have to hurry up. There's still so much we have to do.
What do you want me to do, Mom?
Well, you can break up the bread and the dressing while I make the pies. And Peggy, I think this year, I think I'll have you do the salad.
Okay, Mom.
Oh, and by the way, don't forget to clean up this house. It looks like a cyclone hit it.
I'll do that at about midnight. I'm so glad Christmas comes around only once a year. I couldn't stand the stress of it any more than that. Neither can I.
All they think about is themselves and what they want. Did you hear them one time talking about the Lord and giving him some time? They forgot the entire reason for the season. I believe the season is to serve the Lord and love the Lord. And this is his birthday after all. What else?